Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your blockchain wallet password. It's crucial to understand that if you've forgotten your password, there isn't a traditional reset button like with an email account. The only way to regain access to your funds is by using your unique recovery phrase, sometimes called a seed phrase. This phrase is your master key, so keep it extremely secure. To begin, find the recovery phrase you received when you first set up your wallet. This is typically a sequence of 12 to 24 words. Next, open your wallet application or website and look for an option like Restore Wallet or Recover from Seed Phrase. Carefully enter each word of your recovery phrase in the precise order it was given. Any mistake will prevent access. Your recovery phrase is the ultimate key to your funds, so never share it with anyone, even if they claim to be support. Store it securely offline, perhaps written on paper and kept in a safe place, or even etched onto a metal plate for durability. Once you've successfully recovered your wallet, immediately create a new, strong password that is unique and complex, combining uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. After successfully recovering your wallet, take a moment to confirm your balance and review your transaction history to ensure everything is correct. For enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication if your wallet offers it. This adds an extra layer of protection. Remember, your recovery phrase is paramount. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.